Hi. I'm Jennifer Angela and welcome back to my channeler. If you're new here, hey. I make videos to help real girls like you and me find the best beauty and hair deals online, without all the stress or falling into a wig rabbit hole. Okay, so today's video is all about how to buy affordable 5X, 5 lace closure wigs online. And not just any wigs, but the ones that are cute, beginner-friendly, and actually worth your money. Alright, so before we dive in, let me just say this. If you're like me, you've probably been overwhelmed by all the wig options out there. I mean, HD lace, transparent lace, closures, frontalsa, it's a lot, right? Number 1 is a game changer, so don't miss number 1. All the product link in the description. So, if you're looking for best human hair wigs, stick around. I have a $15 off with free shipping discount code available, link in description or visit cutpromo.com. Let's dive in. Number 5, Aaliweya 5X 5 HD Transparent Lace Closure Wigs. Okay, so quick breakdown. That 5x5 means the lace part on the wig is 5 inches across the front and 5 inches deep, right? That's your little square of freedom to part your hair however you want. Middle, side, whatever your vibe is. And HD Transparent just means that the lace is super thin and basically disappears into your scalp. No ashiness, no crusty lines, just seamless. Holds wig or shows it on a wig stand or B-roll footage. So this is the one I got. It's from Aaliweya on Amazon. I'll link it below, don't worry. First of all, the hair? Super soft. When I tell you I ran my fingers through it for 10 minutes just to be sure it wasn't gonna tangly a minute. It's 180% density, so it's nice and full, but not helmet thick, you know? And look, it just melts. I barely had to do anything to the lace. I mean, you can glue it if you want it extra secure. But honestly, I just slapped some foundation under the lace, laid a couple baby hairs, and boom. Honestly, I just felt cute. Confident in a way I hadn't in a minute. It's wild what a good wig can do for your mood. Number 4, SHOWME 5X 5 HD Lace Closure Glueless Wigs. So let's start with the basics, because I know not everyone's a wig expert, right? A 5x5 lace closure means the lace is 5 inches across and 5 inches back, so you get a nice parting space in the front, but the rest is a full cap. It's like a mini frontal, but so much easier to deal with. And when they say HD lace, that's just thin, soft lace that melts right into your skin. Literally disappears. Oh, and this one is glueless, which means no glue, no gel, no drama. Just pop it on and go. For real. So this is the one SHOWME's 5x5 HD Glueless Closure Wig, y'all. I did not expect much when I ordered it, because Amazon can be a lil hit or miss. But this one? Listen. The hair is 100% Brazilian human hair, super soft. It's got that natural hairline. And it's pre-plucked, so you don't gotta do all that extra tweezer work. The adjustable band? Snug. It fits without slipping or feeling tight. So if this is your first lace wig, or you're just tired of complicated install shears, what I'd say, stick with 5x5 Glueless. It's low maintenance and doesn't need glue or baby hairs. Use a silk or satin cap at night to keep it fresh. And don't forget, just because it's Amazon doesn't mean it's bad. You just gotta know which sellers are real. SHOWME is one I'd trust again. Number 3, 5x5 HD Lace Closure Wigs Human Hair Glueless. So, let's get into this wig I got from Amazon. It's by a brand called Nesman, and it's their 5x5 HD Lace Closure Glueless Wig. That's a mouthful, I know, but hear me out. 5x5 lace means you've got 5 inches across and 5 inches back of lace to part however you want. Side, middle, deep side part do you. HD lace? It's super thin. Scary thin in the best way. It just melts into your skin no matter your tone. And it's glueless, which, hello? No more glue ruining your edges or leaving sticky stuff all over your forehead. Okay, so first impression when I opened the box, I was like, wait, this is actually soft? Leak-no stiff, not shiny, no weird factory smell. It felt like real hair because it is real hair. 100% human. And look, I'm not trying to hype it up too much, but I was low-key shook at how beginner-friendly it was. I didn't even bleach the knots yet, and it still looked good. I just added some concealer to the part and boom. Done. If you're looking to grab this one, just a few quick tips. Make sure you pick the right length. Amazon always shows the longest one in the pic, but you gotta choose what works for you. Keep the lace moisturized, HD lace can dry out, so go easy on the heat. And don't forget a wig bandit helps keep it laid without glue. Number 2, 5x5 HD Lace Closure Wigs Human Hair Wear Wig. So let's talk about this wig I got from Amazon. It's from a brand called Thickrodden. Ask me about the name. Lowland, it's their 5x5 HD Lace Closure Human Hair Wig. So first things first, it's glueless, okay? Like actually glueless, not that fake still need got to be glueless. I literally just threw it on, adjusted the band, and walked out. It has this 5x5 lace, which means you get a nice middle or side part, but no full frontal drama. Just the right amount of lace for it to look natural, but not stressful. The HD lace is thin. Like thin, thin. You gotta be careful when you cut it, but that's what makes it melt so good. And the hair? I got the straight one, it's soft, moves well, no crunchy ends, I was pleasantly surprised. Okay, so I'm not even gonna lie. I was a little scared, like I've been burned by Amazon wigs before. Either they come looking like party store hair or the lace be thick like a hoodie string, but this one? Puts hand to chest. She was giving scalp. Effortlessly. And y'all? No bleaching. I just added some powder to the part, and that was it. Number 1, pre-cut for beginners 5x5 HD Lace Closure Wigs. Today, I'm showing y'all this Amazon wig I found. It's a pre-cut for beginners 5x5 HD Lace Closure Wig and like. The title sounds fancy, but what it really means is, it's easy as heck to throw on. This one is glueless, pre-plucked, and already cut like. They really said, sis, don't even pick up the scissors. So here's what I loved about this wig. Number 1, pre-cut lace. That means no stressing about cutting it yourself. It's already done, and it's not that thick, helmet lace either. It's HD, so it blends really nicely. Second, it's got that 5x5 closure, which gives you just enough space for a part but no full frontal stress, okay? Third, it's glueless, and I mean for real, real. I popped it on, adjusted the strap in the back, and was out the door in 3 minutes. Okay, why did I ever waste my life using glue and freezer spray before? Ugh, I used to be so scared of lace wigs. The tutorials made it look like rocket science. And I was like, where's the wig for the lazy girls? Sig. But this wig right here, this is that girl. She's low effort, high reward, and perfect if you're just getting started or just tired of the lace drama. So yeah, if you want something easy, natural looking, and zero stress, I highly recommend checking out this pre-cut 5x5 HD lace closure wig for beginners. So yeah, if you're looking to buy affordable 5x5 lace closure wigs online, just remember, do your research, read the reviews, and don't settle for trash quality. You deserve better. And if you want links to the best deals right now, check the description I got you. Okay, that's it for today. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and maybe share this with your wig-loving bestie. Wadding, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.